Today is International Mountain Day and let's create a video for that. In the past few videos, we've used some kind of design which can feel a little bit tedious for beginners. This time around, I've kept it extremely simple. It's going to be a text on footage kind of video. Hello everyone, I'm Mohit from Tenika Creations and welcome back to a new tutorial video. If you like to see more social media based video tutorials, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any ideas for future videos, please leave them in the comment section and I'll get to that as soon as possible. Click on create a design, select custom size, enter 1080 for the width and 1080 for the height. Create new design. Inside Canva, let's save it as Mountain Day. Enter. Now, like I said earlier, it's going to be a very simple video. So what we're going to do is I have a set of text and we will just add videos suitable for those text items. So what I'm going to do now is click on text here, click on add heading. I'll go to my notepad where I've copied all the text that I'm going to use in this video. So I'll just go to the notepad and copy the first text, that is, why is International Mountain Day celebrated? So let me copy the first line, Control C, select it, Control V to paste it. I'm going to select this and change the font to Alice. Okay, and let's reduce the size of the text to 60. Okay, now I'll click on this and I'll just bring it down here. Now I'm going to click on it, Control D to duplicate it, bring it down, and then go back to my notepad and select the second line of text, Control C to copy that, come into Canva, click on this, Control V to paste. I'll just adjust this one so that it looks good. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'll just give it a little bit of background so that it looks good. What I'm going to do here is go to Elements and then go to Shapes. I'll select the square shape. Just reduce the height and then click outside, click on it now and then move it like so. I'm going to keep it like that. I think the text is above it, so let's just select the text and change the color of that to white. Okay, so that's fine. Click here and just adjust this one like so. That should be good. I'm going to select the shape, the background shape, and change the color to something like that. Okay, yeah, like so, and leave it there. I'll just reduce the height a bit more. Okay, now Control D to duplicate that and bring it down here. Let's see. Now go to position and click on backward. Okay, and then select this and adjust the width. Now let's select the text and change the color of that to white. Okay, let's just select these two and move it down. That should be good. Okay, why is International Mountain Day celebrated? So let's bring in a footage that is suitable for this. I have uploaded the videos that I'm going to use in the video in the upload section under videos. So I'm going to click on this one, just bring it there, and I'm going to just simply, we've always used some kind of frame for doing this before in the previous videos. Let's just simply put it here. Okay, just scale it up like so. I can use Alt to scale it properly, but I'm just going to do it now like so. Now go to position and click on backward one more time, and that should be good. Now I'll select this, I'll go to this button here and make sure that the video is 5 seconds long. let's bring it down to 5 seconds and click on done. Okay, so that's our first slide, which is very easy, right? Now what I'm going to do now is just simply Control C to copy this, Control C, click on add page, Control V to paste. Okay, so we're not copying this one. So what we're going to do now is let's just go to the notepad and get the new text. To celebrate the rich biodiversity in mountains. To celebrate the rich, let's copy that, come here and double click and Control V to paste. That fits in perfectly there. Let's bring the second line, Control C, go to Canva, and here double click, Control V to paste, and that too goes in perfectly there. Now bring this one, biodiversity. So this one we had more snowy kind of mountain. Let's use a more green, lush green kind of mountain for this one. So here I will press Alt and scale it up like so. Now go to position and click backward twice. Okay, and then let's go and click on this one and reduce the length of the video to 5 seconds. Click on done. Okay, now select these, Control C, and then add page, click here, Control V to paste. Go to the notepad. The next text for the next slide will be as well as to address the threats it faces. Okay, let's copy that and click this one, double click, Control V to paste. That's perfect. Select this one, Control C, come here, double click, Control V to paste. I'm going to adjust this one because it's a little too long for that. I'm going to maybe move this as well a little to the side. Select this one, reduce the width like so. That should be good. And for this, I'm going to bring in this one. Okay, press Alt and then scale it up like so that it fits well. Go to position, click backward twice and click on this one. Reduce the size, the length to 5 seconds. Click on done. Do the same thing once again. Click and drag, Control C to copy, add page, click here, Control V to paste, go to the notepad, and then here we have 3 lines. So it's for creating a fragile environment for mountain communities. So first line, we'll copy this, go to Canva, click outside, click here, double click, Control V to paste. Okay, and then let's go back to the notepad, bring this one in, Control C, go to Canva, double click, Control V to paste. Let's adjust it so that it fits in there. Yep, that one will work. Select this, I'm going to adjust the width. Yeah, I think that will be good. I'm going to select these two and then move it up. I'll just press Shift and use the arrow key upwards. I think that should be good. And then I'll select these two, Control D to duplicate and bring it here like that. Go to the notepad and bring the last line of the text as well. Go to Canva, select this, double click, Control V to paste. I'm going to just adjust it like so and then adjust the width like that. Okay, and for this one I will bring in this video footage. I'm going to press Alt and scale it up like so. Go to position, click backward twice or thrice actually, and then go to this button, reduce the length of the video to 5 seconds. Yes, click done. Add a new page. Here we will bring our logo, click on the logo, press Alt, and I'm going to scale it up like so, move it up a little bit, then go to text. Here I'm going to add a subheading, click outside, I'm going to click on that and just bring it down, change the text color to black and maybe change the size to 35. double click on that. I'll go for www.logo.com. You can put in your URL and your logo for this one. What we have not done, like we always do, is that we've not added the logo in all these slides. So let's go to uploads, click on logo, and then I'm going to press Alt and scale it down like that and just place it over there. That should be good. Now I'll just Control C to copy that. Click here, Control V. Do the same thing here, Control V, and here too. So it will copy to the correct position as it is in the previous slides. So we've done with whatever design we've wanted to do for this video. Let's simply go to animate, and then I'm going to use pan for this one. I'll select this, I'll use rice, select this, use pan, select this, let's go to animate, rice, click here and go to animate and use rice. So that's about it. We can simply press this button, play button, to see our video. So this is how it looks. So once again, the music has not been added to this. If you want to add music, we can always add the music. Like we have uploaded the videos, we can upload the music and have it play behind it. I'll show you how we can do that. So let's close this one up. So if you want to upload your audio, you can upload it under this section here. And you can just simply click on the audio to play. So if you don't want to use that, if you want to use some music from the list that Canva gives you, you can click on this one. It's free and it will start playing. That's all you need to do for the audio. And I'll just close it, because if I play it, then it will spoil the audio for the tutorial. So I'll just close it. So it's as simple as that. There are few free audios here, and there are few which are paid. So it's up to you what you want to use. Either you want to upload something on your own or something that you want to use from what is already available in Canva. Okay, so that's it for this video. So as you saw, it was very simple to create a video like this with minimalistic designs, and it's very effective to do something like this because it works big time on social media. Videos do perform better than images. So if you can upload more videos on your social media platforms, it's gonna really benefit your channel. There will be more growth compared to earlier before you started uploading videos. So if you like to see more tutorials and videos like this in future, please leave a like, share this channel and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any suggestions for the video, how I need to improve and create more videos on, or if you have ideas for future videos, please leave them in the comment section and I will certainly look into it and take action on that. So until the next time, bye.